Hello everyone, Sean here with Ken's Creations and Product Reviews. In today's video we will take a quick look at the Dixie Belle Paint Company. We'll be doing a couple of projects to show you how great this paint is. Their website is dixiebellepaint.com. On their site you'll find paint, finishes, brushes, and Dixie Belle gear. Let's head over to the paint section. Here you'll find the paint in 3 different sizes: 8 ounce, 16 ounce, and 1 gallon. You can even buy all 64 colors in 8 or 16 ounces. What's really nice that they even show you how you can combine 2 different colors to get a 3rd color. Under tools, you'll find many different types of tools, from brushes to sandpaper, cleaning supplies, and even a wood graining tool. Our first project is using the Dixie Belle Paint Sea Glass. We used our GLOWFORGE to cut out on thin plywood, the state of Washington, our home state. I'm doing the first coat, and as you can see how well it covers. Once done, I took a hair dryer to dry it, which was very quick. I did a second coat just to give that great chalk paint matte finish. A second dry, and then we cut out home on a piece of permanent vinyl that was cut out on the CRICUT joy. Once placed, I made sure it was completely pressed into the board. As you can see here, I used a briar to make sure it's all good, and there you go. Our next project is being done on a box frame with Dixie Belle cotton, in which I do the dry brush technique with Dixie Belle Blueberry. When I opened it, I just needed to give it a quick stir. I took a dry brush, placed some paint on the side to get rid of that excess on the brush, and then brushing back and forth to get that effect that I'm looking for. I then got the Dixie Belle paint Yankee Blue, a color I really like, to get that next level of rustic antiquing look. I'm doing the same technique by putting the excess paint on the paper and then dry brushing it on. I went ahead and dried it and then went ahead and put some more on, but I got a little too much, so I went ahead and got my Dixie Belle cotton paint to get it toned down. Again, same technique with the cotton paint. Now you can see how I fixed my mistake. A quick dry, and look how great it looks. I took the same box frame and I'm going to add a screen transfer to it. Since this is a new screen, I will need to fuzz it so it will not bring up or pull up any paint. I take my time to make sure it is centered. I then take my black chalk paste and squeeze it all on. When it's all covered, I'll take off all the excess and then remove the screen, dry it, and there you have it. What a great piece to hang on the wall. Thank you for watching our video on the Dixie Belle paint. Have a great day. Bye.